You will be surprised by this chilled coconut cake recipe. Softer and more delicious. Start by adding to your bowl 3 eggs with the yolk and the white, 1 cup of refined sugar. Now, beat all these ingredients. Beat very well until you reach this point. This recipe is very simple, quick, and easy to make. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of oil, 1 cup of milk. Now, mix the all-purpose flour with the whisk very well, with the eggs and sugar that are already well blended. Mix until you form a homogeneous batter. Mix until the batter becomes very smooth. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Gently mix the baking powder into the batter. Done. Next to your bowl, have a baking pan greased with butter and flour. Now, pour all the batter into this baking pan. Place it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. With the pan on the stove, add 4 cups of milk at room temperature. 2 cups of condensed milk over our milk. The stove is turned off. Add 1 cup of finely shredded coconut. Add 2 cups of coconut milk into the pan with the ingredients. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar to give a special touch to our filling. Turn the stove to medium heat. Mix everything very well until it forms a delicious filling. Mix, and it should look like this. Turn off the stove. Set aside. Your cake should be out of the oven by now. Now, cut it in half with a knife. Be careful not to cut yourself. Then, do the same with the entire cake. Cut into equal pieces. Now, take the filling we prepared and place it over the top of the cake. The cake will be delicious, with this filling making it very creamy. When the syrup cools, it will become thicker. Take the knife again, which will help you in the spaces you cut to add the filling. And it will be a delicious filled cake. Add a bit more filling to give it a special touch. This recipe is wonderful. You will love the result. Now, place it in the fridge for 3 hours. The cake that was in the fridge is now ready. Now, just serve and enjoy this wonderful dessert. Bon appétit!